Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify and how to close already open position using xStation trading platform. In the previous video we showed you how to open a position for selling Euro USD using click and trade window, and you can see now in the open position box that Euro USD sell transaction has been opened. So now I'm going to show you how to use limiters for modifying your transaction. These limiters are called stop loss and take profit. So you can see here two plus symbols. One is for stop loss and one is for take profit. These two options are helping you to protect yourself from losses and also to limit your own profits, and simply to help you not to be in front of your device all the time, so that you can be sure that transaction is not going to go either lower than your stop loss or higher than your take profit zone you set. So first of all, let's say that you want to set a stop loss here. So here you can set a price at which you want to close a transaction if the market doesn't go your way. In this case, if the market goes up, you can set it as well in the pip size or in the USD. For example, let's say you want to make this transaction like in USD for a stop loss. So for example, you say that you don't want to lose more than $50, and you simply put on the value of minus 50, which is like minus 5.0 pips, and by simply clicking OK, your stop loss is successfully added, and you know the transaction is going to be automatically closed as soon as the price reaches this level. Same goes for take profit. You're just going in a different way. Also, you can set it as a price, as a peep size, or in USD. So for example, let's say that you want to limit your profits up to $200, for example, and then you will automatically see that the price is changed and the peep value as well. And after clicking OK, your take profit limiter is also successfully set, and you know that your transaction is going to get closed as soon as the price hits this level at 1.22671. So this is the way how you successfully modify your trade. Now also I'm going to show you how to close a transaction. There are actually a couple of ways to close a transaction manually. If you don't want to rely on stop loss and take profit, you can close the transaction at any time by simply clicking this yellow X button on the right of this row. So you can see next to this close button your current profit situation. For example, this profit situation is for now somewhere around minus $10. So if you click the close button here, at this moment transaction will be closed and you will lose this $10. Also, when you have multiple transactions, like now is the case, you can click in this drop down menu next to the close marker, and you can see that you can at the same time close all transactions, close only winners, and close only losers. So for now, let's say that we want to close this trade simply just to show you how it's done. You simply click the yellow close button, and after doing so, the transaction is successfully closed and your trade is being closed with the buy transaction that is closing the sell option you made in the first place. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned and subscribe for more videos to come.